Welcome to our channel, where history meets the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, we're diving deep into a verse from the book of Job that astonishingly mirrors our modern scientific understanding of the universe. Job 26-7, written in an era far removed from the telescopes and satellites of today, presents a vision of the Earth and the cosmos that challenges the boundaries of its time. Join us as we explore the scientific implications of this ancient text. Book of Job in the Bible was written between the 7th and 3rd centuries BC, with the 6th century BC as the most likely period. Job 26, verse 7, he stretches out the north over the void, and hangs the earth on nothing. From a scientific perspective, Job 26, verse 7 is fascinating because it offers a description that aligns symbolically with our contemporary understanding of the universe. Despite originating from an ancient context, let's break down the scientific insights related to this verse. Stretches out the north over empty space. This part of the verse can be metaphorically related to our understanding of the universe's structure and expansion. The concept of empty space aligns with the vacuum of space that exists between celestial bodies, including stars, planets, and galaxies. Modern cosmology has revealed that the universe is expanding, a discovery attributed to Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, which observed that distant galaxies are moving away from us in all directions. This expansion can be thought of metaphorically as the stretching of the universe, though it's essential to note that ancient authors of Job would not have conceived of this in the same way modern science understands it. He hangs the earth on nothing. This imagery beautifully coincides with how Earth exists in space, orbiting the sun without any physical support. Before the advent of modern astronomy, many ancient cultures had various conceptual models to explain the Earth's position in the universe, often involving physical supports or foundations. The idea that the Earth hangs on nothing reflects an understanding that aligns with Newtonian and Einsteinian physics, where objects in space are in freefall, held in their orbits by the gravitational pull of other bodies, not supported by physical structures. Scientific implications, gravity and orbital mechanics. Modern science explains that Earth and all other celestial bodies are held in their paths by gravity. This invisible force dictates the motion of planets, stars, and galaxies, causing them to orbit each other in the vast emptiness of space. The concept of the Earth hanging on nothing is a poetic precursor to our understanding that there is no physical support needed. Instead, gravitational forces govern the movement and position of celestial bodies. The nature of space, the reference to empty space, can also evoke the vacuum of space, a concept well established in contemporary astrophysics. Space is mostly empty, with vast distances between stars and galaxies. This emptiness is fundamental to the nature of the universe, affecting everything from the propagation of light to the gravitational interactions between galaxies. Job 26 verse 7, when interpreted through the lens of modern science, underscores the advanced nature of some ancient insights, at least in their poetic or metaphorical form. While it's important to recognize the historical and cultural context in which these texts were written, their capacity to evoke images that resonate with contemporary scientific understandings is notable. This verse speaks to the human fascination with the cosmos and our ongoing quest to understand our place within it. It highlights a profound sense of wonder at the structure and vastness of the universe that is as relevant today as it was in ancient times. Conclusion. Job 26 verse 7 stands as a testament to the enduring human quest to understand the cosmos. Its poetic description offers a vision that aligns with the realities revealed by modern science, illustrating the profound sense of wonder that has driven humanity's exploration of the universe across millennia. This verse not only highlights the beauty and vastness of the cosmos, but also showcases the remarkable capacity of ancient texts to echo modern scientific discoveries. Thank you for joining us on this journey through ancient wisdom and the frontiers of science. If you're fascinated by the intersection of faith, philosophy, and scientific inquiry, like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, Keep looking up and questioning the wonders that surround us. Stay curious and continue to seek connections between our past and the ever-expanding universe. Join us in our next video, where we'll unravel more cosmic mysteries and the historical texts that anticipate them. See you in the next exploration.